Ndị be anyị ekeneni m unu n'ụbọchị nke taa. Anyị sị na ya dịrị ndị Igbo na mma. Dịka o si dị, ihe a bụ Igbo Media ka anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ nnukwu ozi dị oke mkpa gbasịta maka ana Igbo and Igbo community and ihe debe na Nigeria. Ya bụ ife ka anyị na-ewetara unu na Igbo Media. Dịka isi wee na-esole anyị, ọ bụ na nke a bụ ụbọchị izizi gị ị na-abịa n'ilu akwụkwọ na Igbo Media, kabaru ka subscribe and turn on your notification ka ị lapụ miss any of our update dịka anyị na-etikwu ya n'ilu akwụkwọ kwa mgbe. Dịka o si dị, o nwere ya wetara n'ụbọchị nke taa gbasịta maka ka ya bụ ife si ada and gbasịta maka ka ya bụ ife si akpọtụ n'ala Igbo. Biko mma achọ ka ige ya bụ ife. Ihe a bụ ihe Biafran Chief of Staff bụ Ngozi Orabueze kwuru n'ilu akwụkwọ gbasịta maka ka o si ada na Finland and gbasịta maka Biafran Prime Minister Maazị Simon Ekpa. So igecha ya bụ ife idropụra ife iche n'ilu akwụkwọ gbasịta maka ihe bụ ife ndị a niile okwu. All right, over to you.
There's some anxiety, among our people, want to know everything that's going on. You can see that we are doing a lot, and we still have a lot to do. So we have some challenges, as you know, with fighting in the forefront. When Nigerian terrorists, of course, they are Ubago, and of course, Udogache from Soludo, and the Agriculture from Oceania. But we are meeting the challenges. We just need your support. We need your support because we don't have all the resources. Of course, to meet your expectations, please support this marvelous to support the government with everything that you can. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Secretary Mpocha. I also want to use this opportunity to let their friends know that we have two secretaries for defense, one that is controlling the whole Biafra, and we also have one in Homeland, Commander Butuzo. He is the secretary manning the Biafra defense in Homeland. Thank you so much. Let's go to Secretary Opalewe. Please unmute yourself.
Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, my DPM, all the cabinet members, the secretaries, deputies, and all the people that are present here today. My name is Dr. Ngozi Opalewe. I am the Secretary of Education. And we are already working hard with my team to come up with a roadmap for Biafran core curriculum, which we believe that will be beneficial to every Biafran. The Ministry of Education in the United States of Biafra will ensure quality education for all its citizens. Biafra will enjoy free education from early years of primary level up to the secondary education. The ministry will develop curriculum geared towards high quality education. Several government grants will be available and everybody will enjoy at that early stage. I encourage all Biafrans. I've been trying to get the commissioners from the 40 states of Biafra, and it's been very difficult to reach them. I hope that those who were here, that we get in contact with me so that we inculcate with them what we are already doing already. Because we want to be ready. As soon as it is time to begin, we have to make a difference. We have to look at not just physical and academic stimulation, but also look at the balance of emotional and psychological well-being of our children. Regardless of their abilities, their needs will be communicated. I hope I am being heard.
Yes, yeah, thank you so much. Just 2 minutes for that introduction. Are you done?
So thank you very much.
Thank you, Honorable Secretary for Education, Ngozi Okalemwe. Let's go to Honorable Jonathan. Please unmute yourself. And we cannot see your face, Honorable Jonathan. Great, that's better. Go ahead, please, and unmute yourself.
Okay. My name is Jonathan Benjamin, and I greet my DPM and honorable members present in this meeting. I am the Secretary of Commerce and Industry, and currently we are working on getting our bank functioning.
Yeah.
And in a month or two, we have a project that will also come up that will take over 40,000 of Biafrans, give for over 40,000 Biafrans job worldwide. So we're not going to unveil everything right now, but we have more, coming for Biafra. Biafra is going to be one of the best countries. There's no doubt about that. Even though we just asked to give an introduction, I have a question that I will want Biafrans to give me answer to. Number one question is, what are we going to lose becoming Biafrans? And the second one is, what are we gaining in Nigeria presently? So I want Biafrans to meditate on these two questions. I need answers. Nobody has been able to give me an answer. What are we going to lose? No matter our position, even as politicians, no matter your ambition, if you want to be president, can't you be a president in Biafra land? If you want to be a governor, won't you be a governor in Biafra land? Whatsoever be your ambition, is it not possible for you to achieve your ambition in Biafra? Then what are you gaining in Nigeria currently? Or ever, what have you gained? I need answers. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Secretary Jonathan Benjamin, for that question. And then once we get to the question and answer session, Biafra should be able to answer that. Let us go to Honorable Secretary Uduak.
My DPM, can I jump in? It's time for me to go back to
Honorable Uduak, I just called you.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. Yeah. Good evening, everyone.
We cannot see you. We can't see you. Oh, great. Better now. I'm sorry. Yeah. I know you have to get back. Go ahead, please.
Okay. Yeah. Good evening, everyone. It's a pleasure being here. I'm calling from work. I've been in and out. Anyway, I'm the Secretary for Community and Social Services. We've been working on some projects, but we are not announcing it at Biafra at this time. We're not calling it Biafra work, but we're doing it. We are ready to make sure our people are well taken care of when the time comes. But we are already putting things in place. I just want to appreciate my DPM, Dr. Ngozi, Raviz, and all the honorables in the house. Appreciate everyone that is here. I want to excuse myself and get back. Appreciate you. We have to work. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Honorable Uduak. Let us go to Secretary Dorothy, please. Can you unmute yourself, Secretary Dorothy, please?
Greetings, everyone. Good day, my DPM and the members of the cabinet present. I am Dr. Dorothy Anthony, Secretary for Interior Homeland Security. I am humbled to serve the brave and resilient people of Biafra. As you can see, we have started
the Zoom
ID
comment
cards,
section.
and I will also use this opportunity to remind Biafrans of the current and earlier application forms. Like Honorable Benjamin asked, Biafrans, if you have not obtained your ID or you have not applied for your ID, what are you waiting for? As a genuine Biafran, if you have not applied for your ID, how do you identify yourself as a Biafran? If you have not done so, please, how will you apply for other documents, such as the driver's license, the international passport? I will use this opportunity also to ask to indulge each and every Biafran. Please apply for their ID card as soon as possible. We are on the second batch. The third batch will start by first week of March. So please apply for your ID to enable you apply for subsequent documents. Thank you very much, and thank you for having me here.
Thank you so much, Secretary Dorothy. Let us go to the next person. Again, the secretaries, if you can raise your hand. Dr. Agi, Secretary of Information, can you go ahead? Because I can find you. Just too many people here. Can you go ahead and introduce yourself, please? Okay, I got you. Go ahead, please. Information, go ahead.
Please, can you help me turn on my video?
Okay, everyone, can you please start your video right now? If you want to turn on your video, please go ahead and start your video right now.
Thank you.
All right, go ahead, please.
Good afternoon, dear friends from here. Good evening, if that applies to your region. This is Dr. Agi, Secretary for Information, Telecommunication, and Postal Services. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Let's go to let's go to, I'm not seeing any of it. Dr. Nana, go ahead, please.
And, okay, let me get it.
Dr. Nana, go ahead.
Yes, good evening, fellow Biafrans. Good evening, honorable members, and our Deputy Prime Minister, Dr. Ngozi Oraveze. Thank you all for gathering today. My name is Dr. Cornelius Nana Nabukuchi, Secretary of Water Resources and Environmental Management. Thank you for having me.
Thank you so much. Let's now go to, do we have other secretaries? Okay, so we can go to other cabinet members and deputy secretaries. Let's start with Apostle.
Secretary Ferdinand, has he introduced himself?
Yeah, he has. Let's go to Dr. Honorable Uche. Go ahead, please, the Foreign Affairs.
Yes, good evening, cabinet members. Good evening, Deputy Prime Minister. Good evening, dear friends from here. My name is Mazi Che. I am the Director for Europe, Asia, Africa, and Oceania Affairs. And on behalf of our Director General, who is not able to make it tonight, I say welcome you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Let's go to this SOS. Christian Odoza, the Secretary of State. Go ahead and please introduce yourself.
My dear minister, it's good to greet this evening. I think all cabinet members, governors of the United States of Biafra, and ladies and gentlemen, my name is Engineer Ken, who does all these steps. I'm very pleased with good Biafrans even. I have to say one thing. What I want is we are talking about money. So anybody who has any way of keeping money can have a number and get me at the meeting and my proper money. Let's talk about money. Money all the way. We are planning, moving about money, and we need control of different, especially this, administrators. They don't make money with them because our fundraising. Our governors, please tell us how we can money in your state. Thank you, Mr. And my humble greeting to one of these participants is thank you once again. And that's it.
All right, thank you so much. And let us go to the deputy secretaries and the cabinet members. Let us go to Sister Gochi. Please go ahead and introduce yourself, please.
Good evening, dear friends. Good evening, dear arrested Deputy PM, all cabinet members. Sister Dominic Ugochi. I'm heading the Department for Religious Freedom and Monitoring. As you know, our main problem in Biafra, which has led us to what we are doing today, is religion. So to be able to function very well in this department, all our action will be generated from the Biafran Constitution, very, very strictly generated from the Biafran Constitution, bearing in mind our three arms of religion, Christianity, Judaism, and traditional. And each of these three arms is headed by different members of the cabinet. And also, we're looking forward to also having different units to be able to function very well so that our aim and vision will be covered all over Biafra, and to have administrative and supportive services that will also work in our department and regional and state and local offices. So it's a huge task, but it's a task God has ordained us to carry out, and we must carry it out with all alacrity. And we'll be working exactly with every department, because religion affairs covers every department, in as much as we at the moment working under the Justice Department. Our department is under the Justice Department, but we'll be opening our arms to all other departments, because what we're doing, as we say, our here more, God is leading us, and we have to bear that in mind in this department and to carry Biafra forward. Thank you for this opportunity. Thank you, Biafran. We look forward to serving you.
Thank you so much. And let us go to Tochi. Please go ahead and introduce yourself. Let us go to Tochi. Can you unmute yourself? Please go ahead, Tochi.
Thank you, Honorable Deputy Prime Minister. I'll try to unmute myself. I wasn't allowing me. Thank you. My name is Tochi Namani once again. I'm the Deputy Secretary of Information, Telecommunications, and Postal Service. In my capacity, I am tasked with ensuring that the channels of communication and the investments in telecommunications and the efficiency of our postal services serve as the lifeblood of our governance and the bridge that connects our people to the vision we collectively uphold So that's basically what we are tasked with working on in our department. Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you so much. Let us go to Honorable EJ. Please unmute yourself. Make it brief.
Greetings, Her Excellency, my Deputy Prime Minister, Honorable Secretaries, Cabinet members, and great dear friends. My name is Ijoma H. Eze, the Continental Rep for North and South America. I welcome you all to this question and answer interactive section. And permit me please to use this opportunity to call on Biafrans who live in North and South America. Please, I'm calling on you people to come. We need you. Let us work together so we can go home quicker. If you don't get anything in Nigeria, just like it's been asked here today, please come and join us. We need you so we can go home quicker. Thank you all. I welcome you again.
Thank you so much. Let's go to Honorable Henry. Unmute yourself.
Hello, Honorable DPM and Cabinet members and fellow Biafrans. Good afternoon. I serve as the Deputy to Education Secretary, and currently we are working on the roadmap, as the Secretary mentioned. And the three key things we are emphasizing: one is quality teachers. We will go for quality teachers and teacher formation, the three arms of development, both prior to hiring, and then when they are also in mentoring and also ongoing professional development. So that will be our focus. And also internationalization, because we know our Biafrans are all over the world. So our education will put our children at pair with their peers all over the world. So that's our emphasis. And the creativity will also be an emphasis. So they will develop their hands, their hearts, and so that they can compete with other students all over the world. So that's our goal.
Thank you.
We call it your cooperation. Those experts in education, so you are free to contribute whatever you think would make our education a dream for our families and for our people. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Honorable Henry. Let's go to Pastor Rose. Go ahead, please.
Good evening, dear friend. Good evening, the world. Good evening, our Deputy Prime Minister. All protocol observed. My name is Pastor Rose Allen, the Deputy. Deputy. My ministry is disability, and I am the head of Germany and I want to tell Biafra, the world, that the only way you can do is to make sure that you come out, let's get Biafra. Thank you, my honorable. All Germany protocol observed. Stand and do the needful. Thank you once again for this opportunity. God bless you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Let us go to Henry, Honorable Henry.
Okay, thank you, my honorable Excellency, the GPM, and all the cabinet members, secretaries. My name is Henry Azubike. I serve as the Asian rep, Middle East also. And I take this opportunity to call all Biafrans in Asia, Middle East. If you are still sitting at the fence, if you are still watching from the corner, you are not doing yourself any favor. Rise up, wake up, come join us. Let's get the job done for you and for us all, for our generation to come. Thank you, and I welcome everyone. There we go.
Thank you so much. Let's go to Christopher. Okay, go ahead, please, and introduce yourself.
Yes, thank you so much. Standing on the existing protocol, good evening from here, Her Excellency and all cabinet members and all Biafrans who are listening. My name is Christopher Okenwa from Owerri State. That is one of the 40 states of the United States of Biafra. I serve the Biafrans as the representative in Europe, the European representative. I work closely with the heads of Biafran mission in Europe, and I also work closely with the team in the Foreign Affairs unit. I'm happy to be here. Thank you.
Thank you so much. We'll go 247. Go ahead, please. We'll go 247. Go ahead, please. All right, let's go. Nyami, go ahead, please.
Thank you, Honorable DPM. Hello, Biafran. Thank you for being in this briefing. My name is Philip Ajoko Onyami. I am the Deputy Secretary of Defense. I just wanted to let Biafrans know, in keeping with the submissions of the Secretary of Defense, I want to also add to that the proliferation of the defense of Biafra information portrays a great danger. So people who involved in this exercise should please curtail it. We cannot afford to make this type of mistake going forward. Thank you, Biafra.
Thank you so much. And let us go to the next person. Patricia O, please go ahead, please.
Good evening, everybody. Sorry, my camera is not on.
You can turn your camera on right now, please. Go ahead and turn it on.
That's good.
Right.
Good evening, everybody. This is Patricia Mombad. I work in the office of Deputy Prime Minister, working with others, ensure the smooth running of the office. I use this question and answer tonight. It's good opportunity, especially for people in UK, to bring their question here so that when the answer is given, they will get at least trouble less and then get what they want, because they are answer that I cannot be able to give some people. Thank you very much. I wish they are here listening and able to answer the ask them question. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Let's go to Festus Zichubu, please. Go ahead, Festus, please.
Okay. Good evening, everyone from here. I thank you all for your presence tonight. My name is Festus Zichubu. I am the African Red. I thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Let's go to I know I saw Pastor Stephen. Go ahead, please. Pastor Steve. Go ahead and unmute yourself, please.
Good evening from here, Your Excellency, and greetings to all cabinet members, honorables, and all Biafrans. All protocols observed. I'm the head of a Jewish religion under the Religious Freedom and Monitoring, and we work under the Department of Justice. Beloved Biafrans, I want to use this opportunity briefly to remind us of who we are, that all the 40 states of Biafra, we belong to one family. We are all Hebrews. That would be something for another day that ties us together. So if you are a Biafran, we are one. So I use this opportunity to call all Biafrans, friends and foes, to come on board. So let us unite together and make sure we go home this year. And finance is what is vital at this moment. We can all do our part, but to support financially is a duty and obligation to every Biafran. So I humbly call upon all Biafrans. The day will come, I will showcase that we are all Hebrews, all the 40 states. So we are one family. So please come together as a family and let us prepare and support the government so that we can go home. Thank you so much. I am Apostle Dr. Steve Ajubi. I work under the Religious Freedom and Monitoring. I'm happy to serve you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Honorable Wednesday, go ahead, please.
My Honorable Deputy Prime Minister, honorable members of Cabinet, and all Biafrans from all over the world, my name is Luke Iwunze. I am the ambassador for United States of Biafra here in Oceania and Australia. We are engaging in diplomatic negotiations with different countries. Doors are opening for Biafra. Doors are opening for nations. People are getting more aware of our new nation. And even for Biafra citizens in this part of the world who have been trapped by the afflictions and persecution of Nigeria, Biafra government is lifting their dignity by standing with them, and they are gaining their receiving their applications being granted for them in this part of the world. So we are working, and thank you, our Deputy Prime Minister. You've been an amazing leader for us, and we are solidly behind you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Do we have any of the other cabinet head of? Go ahead, Ben Chooks, please. Let's make it 1 more minute. Go ahead and Ben Chooks, go ahead, please.
Good evening, DPM. Good evening, Honorable Secretary. My name is
Wadaloli Neno from Igbo Media, boy by Sune Utanunya Jokempa, Bastabak Yemen Nigeria, and the enemy teacher na Eastern Region, and Uno Kosia Dana Finland, and the Biafran Prime Minister, KCGD, the update and the Yabo Biafran declaration came in Finland, so Yelina Kaya, I know Telu Niwa Huko. Kifi Oliku Bastamaka Yabo, Chief of Staff Hukasi Niwa Huko, Yanebo Tagasiaka, and the new development on Biafra of United States of Biafra. So yabi ife ka isi ka tiedo no kono kwa ifunche no den kono bastamaka yabi ife ngwa dado dinen nke mesia no munnem.